Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to learn portrait face. In portrait face, I'm gonna draw Ellie Goulding. So first of all, I will draw a circle. Guys, most people make hurry. The result is many mistakes. So we don't have to be panic. My advice is you should not make hurry while drawing portrait or any kind of face. So if you watch this video till the end, you will properly understand how to draw. First of all, I will draw a wide line for eyes and a straight line for nose. Guys, video would be long, so I'm doing time lapse. Guys, for drawing perfect face, you have to keep practice like me. Then you will definitely learn. So guys, our face is almost ready. So now we're gonna draw a hair. Guys, hair making is not very difficult if you follow my given steps. As you can see, this is how I am drawing hair. So guys, as you can see here, a little face being formed here. If you try to draw like me, then you will also learn. Guys, if you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If you will subscribe, then I will bring more tutorial videos like this. So now I have to remove this extra part on face. Hope you will understand in this video how to draw face. Thank you for watching.